Hey guys, so a lot of y'all have been requesting that I do a home tour video, so I'm going to do one today. So I'm going to warn you, I have not cleaned my house, and I'm a mom of 3 kids. In case you have no idea who I am, I'm Jessie Fearon. I blog at jessiefearon.com, and I share my family's real life on a budget. We became 100% debt-free in January of this year, and so I was going to show you our debt-free home. But like I said, it's not clean, and the interior is in desperate need of getting painted. And I have 3 little kids, so you're gonna see some probably drawn on walls while we're here. All right, so here we are at my front door, which as you see, we still need to paint from where we had to replace the front door last year. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. Okay, so if you were to walk into my front door, this is what you would see. This is our living room. There's my very messy desk. Excuse me. So when we bought this house, there actually was no window here. My husband had to cut out that big hole there and put that window there. This fireplace was the flagstone, so like the 1970s flagstone. That's what this was. And so this is like my favorite feature in my house. I absolutely love this, and I'm so grateful that my husband insisted upon the fact that we get this, or that we do this. It's really, really awesome. And so if you come this way, this is our dining room, which with my destroyed dining room table. Moms, take note, do not buy a table that has like the lines in it, because you will never be able to get that clean. It's really awful. And then this is my kitchen. So like I said, I haven't cleaned anything. Our house is in desperate need of getting painted. As you can see, my cabinets, the paint from when we moved in 8 years ago is all coming off now. And of course, then we have the nice little catch-all thing. Does everybody have this in their house, or there's just like one spot where just everything kind of like congregates? It drives me crazy. But this is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. My kids' little morning routine charts. There's the back door. This is our school area where my kids put, this is where their backpacks and lunch boxes will go. I actually need to kind of thin that out. And as you can see, it still says March up there, and it's currently May. So I definitely need to work on updating the calendar. And there's my dog's food. Okay, so let's keep on walking. Okay, so here's the other side. There's my dog. Say hi, Belle. Say hi. And you can see there is the doorknob hole from one of my kids. Awesome. All right, so this is the hallway. This door leads to the basement. I'll show you the basement here in a minute, but this is the hallway. This is the guest bathroom, the kids' bathroom. So pretty nice. All right, and then this is my daughter's room. I had to come in here and vacuum earlier before I did this because she had Play-Doh in her room, apparently. So by the way, just to show you guys how we tried to save money whenever we bought this house and we renovated it. You see right here, there's no carpet in the closets. So in my kids' closets, there's actually no carpet. So I'll take you to my boys' room. This is my boys' room. Again, I did not clean. This is what their room looks like. So, fun story, this bookshelf right here was actually built by my dad and my granddaddy. So we wanted to give it to my boys after he passed away. So this is their room, nothing big or special. And then this is the master bedroom, mine and my husband's bedroom. My favorite room in the entire house. See, laundry basket. These are the French doors that lead out to the patio. The back deck runs the whole length of the back side of our house. And this is our master bathroom. Look at how small that is. So if you have a bigger bathroom than me, you should totally, you know, be thankful for it, because that is the size of my master bedroom. Like I said, didn't clean anything, y'all. Everything's a mess. Okay, and so now we'll go downstairs, which is my kids' playroom. So just gonna go ahead and tell you that it's kind of messy. It's kind of a mess. All right, kids' playroom. So as you see, it is destroyed per usual. It's actually not as bad as it normally is, but this is what it currently looks like. This is our laundry room. This is actually my husband. He completely remodeled this. This was nothing but this was like a concrete slab, and just this was like cinder block walls. There wasn't even any drywall here. So, but he built all this, and sorry, we have a light out over there, but he built all of this. This is where we hide our printer. That printer is awesome, by the way. That's a Brother's. It's Wi-Fi enabled. It's awesome, so I can print from even upstairs. It's fantastic. There's washer and dryer. Woohoo! Fun stuff. So, and my husband built all these cabinets too. He built these. So, and he put the tile down. So here, I'll scan back so y'all can see it better. That'll move out the way. So awesome, awesome. Oh, and look, there's some writing. There's some writing. Okay, and here is the outside of our house. My husband built this overhang over the garages. Oh, birds. And there's the front of my house. And I'll take you around back. All right, and here's the backyard. There we go. This is the backyard, the trampoline, my kids' playhouse that my husband built, our garden. Our house sits on just over an acre. Let's see if I can walk down here a bit and get a better picture of the back deck. There is the back deck. Our favorite tree. And I'll show you what our deck looks like. My husband just rebuilt the back deck because it was rotting, so excuse like the messy porch, but this is our back deck, the back of our house. So we love it. So there you have it. There is the tour of our humble abode. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think.